In this lecture, we will discuss first category of phase diagram, which is isomorphous phase diagram. So isomorphous diagram has a complete solubility in liquid and solid phase. Copper nickel, copper gold are some of the example. We are going to see copper nickel isomorphous phase diagram. So this is the percentage composition of copper and nickel, and vertical axis is a temperature axis. So what here 0% nickel till 100% nickel we are varying, and with respect to copper, if 0% nickel is there, then there must be 100% copper in the material. And on the other side, when there is a 100% nickel, it's a pure nickel, then there will be 0% copper. In between there will be various composition of copper and nickel from 0 to 100, and they are both changing. So at 0% nickel it will be pure copper, and melting point will be at a particular point, which is 1085. So from solid to liquid, pure copper will melt at a particular temperature. Similarly, when there is 100% nickel, the temperature will be fixed at 1452. So that will be the melting temperature of the pure nickel. But when there is a mixture at various composition, from let's say here 45% nickel is there, so rest 55% will be copper. So like that, there will be the range of temperature which we call as mushy zone. In mushy zone, there will be a temperature range through which it transforms from solid state to liquid state. So on this line, which is a liquidious, which is a solidus line, the mixture will be completely solid. It starts to melt till the liquidious line, which is this red color line, and after that temperature, for particular composition, it will be in liquid state. So here it's a solid state. In between these two lines will be mushy zone, and above that it will be liquid. So now, to calculate the percentage of liquid and solid, we use this technique which we call as lever rule or a tie line rule. So what we do is, let's suppose that at particular point at 80% and corresponding temperature, we want to calculate how much percentage fraction is the liquid and how much is the solid. So here we draw a horizontal line which cuts both the solidus line and liquidus line. And now when they are intersecting with those lines, we will draw a vertical line to the point of composition. So these are the random values. Let's say 80% composition is our sample having. Now it is at particular temperature. So to calculate the liquid, we take this line and we measure the percentage composition where it is intersecting with the liquid and solid line. So I have drawn this line here. So A, B, C points are 0.45, 0.8 and 0.85 percentage fraction of copper and nickel. So here, to calculate the mass of the liquid, we just have to measure the length and divide by the total length. So BC is the length which correspond to the liquid. Although it is near to the liquidus line, but it is shorter. So it represents how far it is from the liquidus line. So shorter the line, it will be farther. So this point is more closer to the solid line. So there must be more solid present inside the composition at 0.8. So we are interested to find solid percentage and liquid percentage at this particular composition and this particular temperature. So here it is more closer to solidus line. So there must be more solid. So more solid means the bigger the length. So bigger length is the AB length than BC. So bigger length AB. So AB must be the solid line. So solid line divided by the total line will give the mass of the solid. So 0.8 minus 0.45 divided by 0.85 minus 0.45, that will give the solid. For liquid, it is in lesser proportion. So shorter length will be the BC length. So BC is 0.85 minus 0.8, divided by the total length. So 0.85 minus 0.8 divided by 0.85 minus 0.45. So in this way we can calculate the mass of percentage liquid and mass of percentage solid at 80% composition and particular temperature. Thank you for watching this video. We'll continue other categories of phase diagram in next video, and please do share and subscribe this channel who are preparing for the competitive exams like GATE, ISRO, BARC, DRDO, and other exams like HPCL. It will help them to understand the clear concepts. These kind of questions are alternatively asked in various exams, and it is most common in GATE exams, and it is a simple calculation which can give you 1 or 2 marks in GATE exam, which can make you ahead like rank 200 to 300 in these competitive exams. Thank you for watching this video.